Today's video is gonna be interesting, so make sure you have your cup of chai with you because chai is just love, my friends. Chai is just love. Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. iPhones are getting boring. The iPhone has been one of the most revolutionary products ever. It's been doing great and Apple has been doing a good job in terms of developing the iPhone. But since the past couple of years, I think that iPhones are getting too boring and other brands are doing a better job out there, like a way better job. For example, consider the upcoming iPhone 14. There are rumors that Apple will not upgrade the chipset in the iPhone 14. Basically, it will support the same chipset as the iPhone 13, which is crazy. Then how can you call it an upgrade? Like every year we expect Apple to upgrade the chipset, but this year they are not going to do that. And it's not like Apple does not have the manpower and technology to develop something cutting edge. They do have that. In fact, they might be working on that, but they will not launch it so soon. If they can milk more money by not changing a lot of things, then they are definitely going to take that way. And that's because of us consumers. Every year when a new iPhone comes along, I buy it on the first day because I want to review it. But on the same day, there are thousands of other people who wait in line to buy the new iPhone, which is crazy. I've seen people upgrade their iPhones on a yearly basis, even though they do not use their smartphone that much. It's become like the status symbol to have the best Pro model out there, the Pro Max model out there. And that is kind of sad, to be honest. Now let's talk about the ecosystem trap. So take this for an example. You buy the iPhone, then save up some money, buy the AirPods, and again save up some money and buy the Apple Watch. Now if you want to switch to the Android side, then that Apple Watch won't work with Android smartphones, and basically you will have to use it as a paperweight. So Apple is very good at trapping you in the ecosystem. That's why stay away from that trap. That trap is dangerous. But anyway, coming back to the point, iPhones are getting very boring. Apple is not upgrading a lot of things. iOS updates are very minimal, and same goes with the hardware updates as well. I know people who are using the iPhone 10R, 10, 11 who do not want to upgrade to the iPhone 14 because iPhones are getting so boring. They're like, there's nothing new, no major reason for us to upgrade, and that makes a lot of sense. Now, as I said, every year I buy a new iPhone on the first day to review it, but this time around I'm going to change things. I'm not going to buy the latest iPhone. In fact, I'm going to sell the iPhone 13 and go for a Z Flip 4, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Yeah, the phone from Samsung that literally folds in half. You see how much ahead and innovative Samsung is in terms of their devices. I absolutely love it. Samsung has been silently developing their ecosystem and they are doing a very good job at it. So it's not like if you move to the Android side, you will be losing a lot of things, nothing like that. There are good alternatives there as well. In fact, if we just talk about phones, I think that the Android side is way more interesting as compared to the iPhone side. Samsung has been making foldable phones for the past 4 years now. So in these 4 years, Apple has done nothing in the foldable industry, and that is kind of sad, to be honest. Apple should have launched a foldable phone by now, but I don't see that happening for the next couple of years at least. So Samsung has basically got a good lead in terms of the foldable smartphones, and these smartphones are really good right now. Like a normal person can buy these smartphones and use it on a daily basis. I know that the foldable smartphones are expensive, but so are iPhones over here in India. They're stupid expensive, and it does not make sense to spend so much money on an iPhone which is similar to the previous one. You can better spend that money on foldable smartphones which are way more interesting, like trust me. So that's what I'm gonna do this year. I'm gonna buy the Z Flip 4. I will wait for the iPhone 14 event, and if all the leaks and rumors are true, then I'm not gonna buy the iPhone 14. I am gonna go for the Z Flip 4. Now you guys let me know what do you think about this topic in the comment section down below. Let's start a conversation. You can post about it on Twitter as well or Instagram, and definitely tag me. Let's get a conversation started. Also, before I go, let me quickly tell you about the Dot Company. The Dot Company is our own brand and we make some awesome stuff. We make minimal t-shirts, wallets, caps, and a bunch of other things. So definitely check out Dot Company by clicking the link in the description box below. So this was a very chill video about, iPhones and how boring they are. Do let me know how you feel about this in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go and hit that like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It will mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.